Okay, in this next section, we're going to talk about some examples here with the sample space. Could you read that sample space for us, Brooke?
Sample space as human, elephant, octopus, whale, Henry, my cat, who does indeed have 4 legs, crocodile, rabbit, iguana, worm.
Right. And so, for our purposes, we'll just call Henry my cat, or just cat, simply cat. So event A is animals that walk on 4 legs. Take a second and fill that out. Who are the animals that walk on 4 legs from the sample space? Okay, what are our 4 animals? What you got here, Braden? Animals that walk on 4 legs. And iguana, right. So we got elephant, cat, crocodile, and iguana. How about mammals? Who's got mammals? Yeah, Connor. Henry, elephant, humans. What about whale? Robin is a bird, not a mammal. Yeah, unless you're talking about Batman's sidekick. Okay. Now, list the animals in each event. We've just done that. Now we draw a Venn diagram representing the sample space with subsets A and B. A being animals that walk on 4 legs, B being mammals. Go ahead and do that, and then we'll share answers. Okay, so the first thing that I would do is I'd fill out the middle space. What are animals that are both animals that walk on 4 legs and are mammals? Who's got that? Micah. So elephant, I've got elephant and cat, elephant and Henry, yes. And then I would do the animals in A that are not in B, that are in A only, is another way of saying that. What are animals that walk on 4 legs that are not mammals? Anna? So that's what I would put in A, in that space that's A only, crocodile and iguana. And then for B, animals that are mammals that that don't walk on 4 legs. What do you think, Bryson? Humans and whales. Good. Finally, in our sample space, there are animals that don't fit in either of those categories, that are neither mammals nor do they walk on 4 legs. And that's what we would put in this space out here, which is octopus, robin, and worm. All right. Finally, over here, we're going to go through some of these. What are list all the animals in A union B. Alexander, what would be in an A union B? Do you remember what union is? So union is in A, or it's in B, or it's in both. It's all of those, all of the above. A, B, or A and B. So it's just a matter of reading those animals off. There you go. Okay, and all the animals in A intersect B. Kenzie? Bless you. Yeah, what are the animals in A intersect B? Elephant and cat. Yeah. List all the animals in A complement, or the complement of A. Yeah, Connor.
Human, whale, octopus, robin, and worm.
Human, whale, octopus, robin, and worm. Good. List all the animals in the complement to A union B. What would that be? What do you think, Micah? Octopus, robin, and worm. Yeah, they're in the sample space, but they're not in either A or B. Good. And then we've got A, take away B. What do you think, Ian? Crocodile and iguana. Okay. Let's look at the next one here. A political ad was run on TV and on radio. This one is different because here the sample space, because we're talking about percentages, our sample space is 100%. Now, that usually refers to 100% of the people that are surveyed. So 100% of the people surveyed. Of those, 33% of the people saw it on TV, 21% heard it on the radio, and 10% of the people saw it on TV and heard it on the radio. Of those three numbers, one of them we can place as is. Which one of those numbers can we place as is, and where do we put it?
Is out of 100 people?
Out of 100%, yeah. So you got 33% people saw it on TV, 21% of the people heard it on the radio, and 10% of the people saw it on TV and heard it on the radio. Of those three numbers, one of them can be placed in the Venn diagram as is. What do you think that is, Kenzie? I realize it's just a guess. Give me a guess. You got a 33% chance of getting it right. 10. And where do we put that? Right in the middle. That's the one that we can place, and we place it right in the middle. The others we can't place as is because the 33% for TV, I can't put that in there, but I can put 23. Anyone would like to explain that? Yeah, because 23 plus 10 is 33. It's 33% people saw it on TV. Because somebody saw it on TV doesn't mean they didn't also hear it on the radio. And so 10% saw it and heard it, but 33% saw it. And so over on radio, what am I going to put in that space there? 11, exactly. This is 11 plus 10 is the 21. So we've got this one, check. We've got this one, check. And with this one's already placed. So we can answer some of these questions. How many only saw it? 23%. How many only heard it? 11%. Neither heard it nor saw it. Now, we have to do a little calculation here. So we're going to go over here and we're going to say 23 plus 10 plus 11. We're going to add up all, this is the union, right? 11, 23, and 10, or 11, 10, and 23 all together. That's 444, right? Those people saw it or heard it?
Well,
Yes, Connor. Did you have a question? No. Okay. So we go 100% people in our survey, and 44% of them saw it or heard it. So we subtract, and we get 56. So how many people neither heard it nor saw it? 56%. And we write that in our Venn diagram right here. And the sum total of all of those spaces in our Venn diagram, 23 plus 10 plus 11 plus 56, adds up to 100. That's our whole sample space. Now, finally, did not see it. How'd you get that 67, Ian? 11 plus 56 is 67. And 67% did not see it. Okay? Excellent. Good job, guys.